buy the URL review plugin for your own domain, installation is pretty easy. But you don't install it like a regular plugin from inside the WordPress admin because there are a couple of different directories. After you unzip it, you'll see 2 folders and 2 files. Open up the README pre-install, and that gives you step-by-step instructions. Step 1 is to upload the plugin folder. That's this one right here. Just send it into your plugins folder over at WordPress, at your WordPress installation. It's a pretty good sized plugin, so it may take a couple of minutes. Step 2 tells you to make 2 folders writable to 766. To do that, I do it right with my FTP software and set them like this. Do that for one, then for the other, and then move on to step 3, which is to upload the print theme folder into your themes directory. Make sure you don't activate that theme under any circumstances. Go to your themes, highlight it, send it over. That CSS can be changed to match whatever style you like on your own website. Right now it's simply plain text, and it is for the printable version of the report you run on your domain. Step 4 is to activate the plugin. Locate the inactive plugin and hit activate. At that point, you'll have a new section down here under SEO Automatic. You have an admin section and the site checker tool. The admin section is just some general information where any of the other plugins would be listed, but the site checker tool takes you directly to the place that you can edit the report. Go down here. Be sure to change this message. We are not using a credit system, and unless you hack away at this plugin, this is not going to do anything. You can change the text for the submit button, you can change the results page, or you can delete it entirely, which will make the tool results appear directly on the page where you add the tool. If it's not displaying quite right, see what it looks like after running the tool with this box unchecked, and in order to get the tool to appear in any given page or post, simply copy and paste SEO tool in brackets on the HTML tab from wherever you want the tool to display. If you are going to choose to run the results at a different URL, then what you need to do is make sure that you put SEO results in brackets in the HTML tab of that particular URL. So step 1, you would create your results page. Step 2, you place SEO results in brackets on the HTML tab. Save the page. Step 3, you come here and you paste that entire URL here under alternate results page. And when you make any changes on this report, you do need to scroll all the way to the bottom and update your settings. And each time you do that, it's a good idea to download your XML from everything you've done up here. Save this locally, and that way if you ever need to install it again or install it on another domain, you can go through the import process of this same XML file without changing all of my content information that's in this area. When you run the results, if you'd like them to repeat themselves grouped together by good, bad, or noteworthy, you can check this box. If you'd like to not run the test for certain ranking factors, simply uncheck that box. And over here on the right, if you'd like to make something important, like the title tag, make sure that box is checked. If you'd like to move it to the noteworthy or medium importance category, simply uncheck the box. Finally, at the very bottom, where we count the file size and the number of links on pages, you have the option to change the information that determines whether or not something is too big or has too many links or what have you. That's about it. It's a pretty easy process. Enjoy.